What's going on YouTube? I am out and about this morning in my little old corner garden, and I thought I seen some cucumbers about ready to pick. No, that ain't it. Okay, here it is, one. Nice size one there. Alright, we got one. Pick it while it's cool. Oh, got me another one sitting there. Not bad so far. I gotta pick me some herbs too. Oh yeah, that's a real nice one now. Look there. Oh, eat a fat one. Real fat one now. He ready to come off the vine. Oh, some beans getting ready to come off too, I see. I can mix them with my beans I got in there. Not too many of those ready. My mom taught me when I was a little country boy that sometimes you can't always go to the store. Sometimes you have to eat by your own hand. Even though we live a life with grocery stores and leisure, it is nothing like eating from your own hand. Look at this bad boy hanging. Head out under there. He ready to go. Just make sure we know that was a nice little haul. The cucumbers today. They are blooming everywhere. Real nice size cucumbers, don't y'all think? Let's make sure we ain't got no more down here. I think I got what's ready to be picked, y'all. And let me show y'all my Great Dane. Let me introduce y'all. He's so crazy. Where are you? And I want to introduce y'all to Maximus. He is my blue-gray Dane. Got him out this morning, catching some air, get him a little exercise. He bad too, y'all. We're going to watch him grow. We looking for a Team Max. Let me get my few vegetables in, get my lunch ready for today. Listen, y'all, stay school. It's going to be another scorch out here. I'm out.